Good day, RosterElf's community. Jack Huang from RosterElf here. Today I'm walking you through two quick ways to check a staff member's shift count so you can keep your rosters balanced and your team happy. How to view shift count from the roster. Go to the roster screen and open the staff filter. This narrows the view so you only see one employee at a time. Choose the roster period and any other filters you need. Picking a specific week or location helps you focus on the right shifts. Check the shift counter that appears beside the employee's name. This shows exactly how many shifts they are rostered for in that period. Remember that on smaller screens, the counter may hide itself. If that happens, simply scroll or zoom out and manually count the shifts in view. How to review shift count from reports. Open the complete shift report in the reports section. This report lists every completed shift for better historical insight. Type the staff member's name into the search bar. Filtering by name instantly trims the data to that person alone. Set the date range you want to review. You can look at a single week, a month, or any custom span you like. Add a site filter if you only need data for one location. This is handy when the employee works across multiple sites. Run the report and scan the results column for the total shifts. You now have a clear record of how many shifts that staff member has worked. Thanks for watching. If you need a hand, our friendly support team is always ready to help. Happy rostering, and see you next time.